barking again. You guys keep moving.
Anyway, I'd say it's been great, but you know, who we know.
Salto como un lío.
¿Qué?
Esto es salto como un lío.
I mean, no one. They're strays.
That is so sad.
Yeah, but on the bright side, they are all super adorable, except that one. Yikes.
Well, that settles it. You guys are all sleeping over.
Wait.
We're gonna have a slumber party.
We can't.
We'll play tug of war. We'll tell spooky stories.
What?
I'll go first. Mine's about a dog who was bitten by a squirrel, and he starts becoming a were-squirrel. Oh, it's so scary.
Dude, these puppies look super nice. Don't get me wrong, but
I mean, you should.
all of them.
Anyway, you want to keep doing your business in different parts of the house. In the club, under the rug, get creative with it. Always love finding your
Look at me. You in a shirt. I dig you look. Who's your groom? Wow, you probably smell like churros and popcorn. Welcome to the secret
Yes, bring your backpacks, and stick it out. Bag your backpacks, have to come on. Bring your backpack, and stick it out.
Do you want to ride with him this time and I'll go by myself? Do you want to ride with him this time and I'll go by myself?
Yeah.
Okay.
Guys, bring your bag.
My whole body's sweating. We're talking a full body. Let's do this.
Okay. You feel okay right there?
Good luck, puppies! And just remember, whatever happens, I will forget about you by tomorrow. I'm sorry about that. It's just, you know, I got a lot going on in my life, and you're not really my priorities.
Remember to listen to Snowball. Something I never thought I'd say.
Some of us get boxes, some of us get super cool high-tech drums. Come on, go down and drop out. Don't worry, if there were danger, my buddy Cincy would warn us. Check out my buddy cop. Yeah. You can go home now. You You're trespassing in my house.
Wait, I love cats.
These rockers want to get us in good for 20 seconds.
Whoa! Damn it!
What do you say? You want to come home with us?
Yes.
Your journey is paused temporarily. Boxes will please remain seated with arms and legs inside the vehicle.
Having an owner is so much fun. But just a heads up, okay? Humans need lots of walks.
Look how soft your bed is.
Woo! You love me. I just get pet homes. That's all I do. You're welcome.
Woo, what fun! Let's all do it again.
Welcome home. As you return, please lift your arms and your lap bar will raise automatically.